The Teletubbies and Ethelbert the Tiger are still to come here on CBBC, but before that it's time to ring the bell on the play bus.
It's the play bus! But where does it go? Where does it stop? What's inside of the lollipop? Stop! It's the why bird stop.
Why? Are you here? Hello. You saying why? I thought you'd be here before me. Never mind. Oh, do you know, these sweets are delicious.
Hello? Is anybody there? Hello?
Oh, hello, Peggy. How can I help you?
I'm looking for Why. Is she here?
Don't know.
Oh, well, she said she'd get my bag for me. I left it on the bus.
Well, you can wait here for her if you like.
Oh, thanks, Trish.
Would you like a sweet?
Oh, yes, please.
Someone left them on the bus.
All right.
Here you are. Oh, and I won't be long. I'm just going to check the oil on the bus.
Right. Delicious. Oh, I wonder if there's anything on the Whitek I can do while I'm waiting. Oh. What do you call a bird when it's out of breath? Do you know? A puffin! Why's taking a long time, isn't she? I know. I'll play a trick on Why and hide from her. Where shall I hide? Oh, how about behind here? Right. How's that? Now don't tell Why I'm here, will you? Trish! Peggy! Shh! Oh, the wheels on the bus go round and round. Oh, hello there. Peggy? Peggy! Yoo-hoo! Do you know, I was supposed to meet Peggy here with her bag, but I have looked everywhere on the bus for it and I can't find it. Do you know where Peggy is? Shh! Trish isn't here either. Or maybe they've both got lost. That's the phone. Do you excuse me? Hello, why don't stop why but yourself speaking. How may I help you? Oh, hello, Mr. Jolly. You left some sweeties on the bus. Well, I haven't seen any. Just a minute, I'll go and check. Wheels from the bus go round and round. Oh, funny smell in here, but no sweeties. Sorry, Mr. Jolly. No, I'm sure I'll find them for you later and I'll bring them for you on the bus. All right. Bye, Mr. Jolly. Hello, Trish.
There you are, Why.
What do you mean, there you are, Why? You were the one who was late. Trish?
Guess what?
What's that you're eating?
It's a sweet, Why.
Trish, where did you find those sweets?
Someone left them on the bus.
Oh, no! Oh, they're Mr. Jolly's. Trish, don't eat any more sweeties.
It's too late, Why. They've all gone.
Oh, no! Now what are we going to do? You've eaten all Mr. Jolly's sweets.
Well, Peggy had one too.
But Peggy's not here.
Well, she was earlier. Anyway, I didn't know they were Mr. Jolly's sweets. I don't know what all the fuss is about.
Well, I promised him that I would take him his sweeties on the way home.
Well, you can't now, can you?
But Trish!
Oh, I'm sorry, Why, but Mr. Jolly will understand.
Well, I wouldn't understand if they were mice.
Maybe your Whitek can help you.
Well, actually, Trish, I was just going to do that. I was just going to suggest that I have a look on the Whitek. Now, let me have a look. Sweeties, sweeties, sweeties. Oh, yes, here they are. Well, they don't look like sweeties, do they? Well, they seem like funny-looking sweets to me, but I suppose they know what they're doing.
interesting. Can anybody guess what sort of sweets they're going to be? That must be the magic ingredient. Oh look, they're all nice and shiny now. Oh, what a relief! Now I can take Mr. Jollysome home on the bus. Oh, could you put them in a safe place, please?
Okay, White.
Oh, phew, what a wonderful white tech.
Hello, Wybird Stop, Trish speaking. Hello, Poppy. You left some sardines on the bus. Oh, yes, I expect you will be hungry. I think I saw them in the lost property. Just a minute. Why? Did you see Poppy's sardines in the lost property?
Oh, let's have a look then. Oh, I can certainly smell them. Yes, here they are.
Yes,
Oh.
we found them, Poppy. Yes, we'll bring them back for you later. No, we won't forget. All right, bye. Oh, I put Poppy's sardines with Mr. Jolly's sweets. Everybody seems to be losing things today.
Oh, look, Trish.
That's right.
Here's Peggy's bag.
Oh.
I looked everywhere on the bus for that. Oh, Peggy
you, White.
will be pleased. Where is Peggy?
I expect she'll be back soon. Right, there's 3 lost things all to be taken back on the bus. I know a story about some people who lose some things. Shall I tell you it?
Oh, yes, please, Trish. Oh, yes, please, Trish.
All right.
Hey, Trish.
Yes, why?
Do they find them again?
Well, you'll have to wait and see. Woo! And it's called Toot Toot, I'm Going Shopping. Mum was in the kitchen, hunting high and low. She couldn't find the tin opener. Where's it gone? She said. William was driving his car. I'm going shopping, he said. Toot toot. Amy was in the living room looking for her pen. Who's got my pen? She said. I'm sure I left it here. William was driving his car. I'm going shopping, he said. Bye. Kim was in the bathroom and couldn't find her hair slides. She needed them for her dancing class. I'm going to be late, she said. William was driving his car. I'm going shopping, he said. Bye. Roger was outside the back door looking for one of his football boots. Christopher's waiting for me, he moaned. Who's taken my other boot? William was driving his car. Toot, toot, he said. I'm going shopping. Dad was in the garden shed scratching his head. He couldn't find his gardening gloves. I'm sure I put them back, he said. William was driving his car. William was going home. I've been shopping, he said. Did you buy lots of things? Said Dad. Oh, lots and lots, said William. My boots fall right up. What did you buy? Said Dad. That's a secret, said William. Bye-bye for now. William drove indoors. William stopped at the stairs. Up he went, car in tow, and disappeared into the bedroom. Roger ran into the kitchen. Where's my boot, Mum? He said. Where's my boot? Christopher's waiting and I'm going to miss the game. Amy ran into the kitchen. Where's my pen, Mum? I can't find my pen. I want to write a letter and I can't find my pen. Kim ran into the kitchen. I can't find my slides, Mum. Have you taken them, Amy? I'm going to be late. It's time for my dancing class. Dad walked into the kitchen. Who's had my gardening gloves and not put them back? They were there yesterday, and now they're nowhere to be seen. What's going on? Said Mum. Roger's lost his football boot, Amy's lost her pen, Kim's lost her slide, Dad's lost his gardening gloves, and I can't find the tin opener, or the potato peeler, or the tea cloth, and the cat dish is missing. And where's William? He's been shopping, said Dad. His boot's full. Follow me. Everyone ran out of the kitchen. Everyone ran up the stairs. Dad opened William's bedroom door. William was inside his little house, counting. What are you doing, William? Said Dad. I'm in my shop, said William. Can we come into your shop? Said Amy and Roger. Only if you buy something, said William. What have you got? Said Mum. Oh, lots of things, said William. Come and see. What I'd really like is some gardening gloves, said Dad. Next, said William. Oh.
Next! Oh, Whitebird speaking. How may I help you? Hello, Lizzie. Have you lost something as well? Oh, well, it's just that everyone seems to have lost something today. Oh, you have! She has. What, your drum? Oh, I'll see if I can find it. Cheers!
Yes, why?
Was Lizzie's drum left on the bus?
Ooh. Oh, yes, here it is.
It's here, Lizzie. Yes, we'll bring it for you later. Bye!
Ooh, we've got quite a few things here to take back on the bus with us. Can you remember what's here and who they belong to? Well, there's a bag belonging to...
Well, it's got pegs on it, hasn't it?
That's right, so it's...
Peggy Patches.
Peggy Patches. And some very tasty sweets that I've got to bring to...
Well, you've not to eat them, have you, Trish?
Well, I haven't got to eat them.
No.
Whose are they?
Well, they're Mr. Jolly's, aren't they?
Mr. Jolly's, that's right. And some smelly sardines.
Oh.
Who do they belong to?
Oh, Poppy, I should think.
Yes, Poppy sardines. And a drum that belongs to...
Lizzie!
And there's one more thing to add to this collection.
Is there?
Some oil. Yes, the oil in the engine was a bit low a bit earlier on.
Oh, right.
Okay.
Oh. Well, how are we going to carry everything?
Well, there's a tray down here.
Oh.
There. I'll put them all on the tray. Looks better. Why? Shall we play a memory game?
What's a memory game?
Well, you have to have a good look at everything on the tray.
Oh, yes.
And then you have to close your eyes. I'll take something away, and then you have to remember what it is that's been taken away.
Oh, right. Right. Will you help me, please?
Right then, have a good look.
There's Peggy's bag, and some chocolates, and some sardines, but you couldn't miss those, could you? A drum and some oil. Right, I'm ready.
All right,
I'm ready.
Close your eyes then.
Right.
And you. I'm going to take something away now. Right, you can open your eyes now. What's missing?
Oh! It went there, didn't it?
It did. Can you remember what it was that went there?
Oh, I know.
Something smelly?
Yes. Poppy sardines.
Poppy sardines, that's right.
Right, it's my turn now, Trish.
Okay, I'll close my
Close
eyes.
your eyes tight and no peeping.
No peeping.
No peeping. No peeping at all. Right, you can look now.
Right. Oh! Well, there was something there, but I can't remember what it was.
It's my bag. Oh, who said that?
It's me!
Peggy?
I'm hiding, come and find me!
Do you know where she is?
Peggy!
Peggy! Peggy, Peggy, well. Hey, I'm going to hide now, and you can all come and look for me.
Okay, why?
Okay, what? Right, everybody close their eyes and come and find me.
1, 2, 3,
I'll only be
4, 5, 6.
a couple of ticks.
7, 8, 9.
That'll do fine. 10. Come and find me then.
Is she inside a hat?
No! Up on a shelf she's not.
Is she behind the white tech?
Now you're getting a bit too hot.
Isn't there something sticking out? I better take a closer peek.
Let's have a look behind that book. Is it perhaps a beak?
Who does it belong to? Who does it belong to?
Me!
Hide and seek.
Hey, that was great! Can we do it again, please?
All right, then I'll hide this time and you can count to 10.
1, 2, 3.
I'll only be
4, 5, 6.
a couple of ticks.
7, 8, 9.
That will do fine.
10.
Come and find me then.
Is she behind the door?
No. Under the counter she's not.
Is she behind the white tech?
Now you're getting a bit too hot.
Isn't there something sticking out? I need to have a better view.
Now let me see, what can it be? Is it perhaps a shoe?
Who does it belong to? Who does it belong to? Me!
Hide and seek.
Oh, it's time to go already.
What's that? Oh, I think your white tech's trying to tell you something, why?
Oh,
Don't forget. Oh, look. It's reminding us to take all the things that people have lost back on the bus.
right, well, have we got everything? Yes, that's everything. Here's your bag, Peggy.
Oh, thanks ever so much.
Come on then. Bye.
Bye.
Trish,
Yes, why?
aren't you forgetting something?
What, why?
Bye. See you next time. Right, come on, Peggy. I want to sit on the back seat.